So we can do a template cloning as well. For example, you have created a template from a VM. You want to clone it again from template, not from the VM. The last option was to clone it from a VM. But here we want to clone a template to template cloning. We want to do template to template cloning. So it is possible. You can do it, and you can also modify the CPU and memory as well. So this is another option to clone your template. And if you want to export as a template, so you can export your VM as a template. For example, if you want to use this VM in another environment, you want to deploy it somewhere else, so you can export it, and then you can directly import it to your environment. So this template will be also available there. So you can deploy VMs from that template in another environment. You can copy it in your laptop. Or different can be used to export your templates. So this is the procedure how we can do that, clone to template. Let me see charts. Here the question, when you convert a VM to template, will also destroy the source VM. Yes, the source VM will be not available. When you convert a VM to template, it will go to the template menu. Your VM will be converted to template. Okay, any other question? Okay. If you have a question, you can ask, no issue. I can see it in the chat. Can we change this disk size? No, the boot disk cannot be changed because it is already disabled. I already told you that you cannot change it. Your size cannot be changed at this time because it has the operating system. All the partitions are already mentioned in the operating system, so it is not possible at that time. You can later on change it, but there are different ways to do it because it depends on the operating system as well. Let me see some questions, if there are some questions. I think no messages. Okay. What is the difference between exporting as a VM template and just exporting as a string? If you can directly export your VM as a template and sort the template, both options are available. So you can do, it's the same thing. There's no big difference. But if you have multiple templates available, so you can export it, no issue. So this is the procedure. You can clone to template. It is the same procedure. It will ask about some information about the CNA, about the description and the VM name, and you can modify the CPU and memory. You cannot change the boot parameters. It is not allowed. You cannot change it, but you can change the network, CPU, and memory as well. It's not an issue. So when you click OK, it will be done. I think. Okay. Let's see. If you want to export a template, so you can go to the template and just click on the template and export it as a template. So you will get a template. You can select the location if you want to save it on the local PC or share directory. You have both options. It will ask for the directory, and you can select format as well. We can support OVF. This OVF QCOW2, and there's another option available. I'll show you all the formats in the. Okay. Okay, we can import as well a template available on our PC. So you can import it with the Fusion Compute environment. For example, if you have for Windows, Linux, or any appliance, for example, appliances in template, so you can deploy it as well. And Oracle also provides some template, but it depends on the format. If the supported format is available, so you can import it to the Fusion Compute environment, and you will get the operating system, application, everything in template. If the application is already installed or everything is set up already, so you don't need to do these things again and again. So you can just import your template and just run power on your VM, and all the application, all the things will be available there. So this option is also available. We can do that as well. So this is the procedure how we can import a template on the resource pool. Just right click and import. So you can import template as well and import VM as well. Both options are available. So it will ask for the path where your file is located. So you can select the path, and then it will ask some information that what is the VM name, description, and CNA, and it will ask for the data store as well. It's here data store is not mentioned, but data store, it will ask for data store as well, that in which data store you want to store this template or VM. So you can change the CPU and memory and click next, and it will show the summary, and then it will be imported to your environment.